In this video, we're gonna check, suppose for one workpiece, how much time it will take. While in the beginning of this video, it's just start to new workpiece. So let's count down the time. Let's count on the time. Now it's about 40 seconds. It means within 40 seconds we can get one workpiece. 这个弓箭大概有多长？2.7米。The workpiece length is 2.7 meter in length. What we have within 40 seconds is one workpiece at 2.7 meter. It said it is kind of pattern protected. So this is the workpiece. He said that the design of the product is patent protected. And now let's come back to the machine.